Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Dent Repair. Today we're actually working on this Mazda door ding that it's got in the right front door. So, kind of looking at as far as this damage goes here. We've got a door ding right there in the door. Hey, what's up guys? As well, we're going to go ahead and put the light back a little bit further. See if you guys can see this other damage here. So the camera, it's going to be really hard to pick these little micro dents out. There you go. There's actually two little ones right here. Probably just barely see them in the reflection here. I can barely see them in the camera. But from your visible eye, you can actually see them pretty well. So, kind of a... see if we can get this all squared away here. All right, so basically I'm going to go ahead and take out the door dent here using Paintless Dent Repair. But one of the things that runs as far as a factor in this type of dent repair here is traditionally what we would do is roll the window down, install a window guard, and physically run a tool down the door panel here, or down the door frame, or inside of up against the glass with the protective shield on there, and physically push this damage out. So one thing that comes into play as far as with this damage though is this vehicle actually is equipped with laminated safety glass. So basically we can't put, there are ways to get around it and put some type of pressure on it to a reasonably safe degree, but typically with us here, we normally don't try to do any type of repairs with any type of pressure being applied to the glass assembly. So what that means is basically there's two options for the repair. So we either find an alternative access point, or we actually physically remove the glass assembly from the damaged area. Fortunately here though, this vehicle actually has a factory access hole in it from the door handle. So this is a factory hole. We don't drill any holes or anything like that, but there's actually a factory hole right in the door there that we can actually, so there's actually a plug that goes in there just like that. We already pulled it out. We're actually able to sneak a tool in through that big hole there and run it all the way down and fix this dent as well as these two other little ones here. Oop, there we go. We've got actually the door jammer here from Anson PDR. What this does is basically allows us to latch the door and hold it tight so that it won't move when we're in the process of pushing the dent up. So I'm grabbing onto this door right now, and it is not, I'll show you. Still trying to work this gimbal because it's backwards. So, I mean, I can physically grab this door and this isn't going anywhere. It's rock solid. So what that allows us to do is actually take a tool. This is a PDR Finesse, what is this one? I'm not really sure what the number of 164A. Anyways, it's just a door flag style tool. One thing that's nice about the PDR Finesse tools is that they actually have a ratcheting handle built on them. It's one of the, I personally really like the new Gorilla Grip that came out since these have been out, but prior to that, this was one of my favorite handles. It still is one of my definitely favorite factory ratchet handles. It's not something you have to modify or get a, you know, like some of the other ones. So this is exactly how it comes from PDR Finesse. Anyway, so this is a flag style tool with a blade style tip, rounded-ish kind of tip. Hey, what's up, man? And so basically what I'm gonna go ahead and do is physically install this door tool into the door like this. So it's basically gonna be hooking in like this, just so you can kind of see as far as what I'm doing. And then I'll slowly push the damage backside, or push the damage out from the backside with this tool here. So we're going to go ahead and get the tool on there, get this all damage worked out here, and then actually this customer is actually bringing another vehicle. They've got this, so this is a 2017 Mazda CX5. They're actually bringing their 2017 Hyundai back. That was originally the one they contacted us about. So they're going to actually have us fix a dent on that as well. So we've got to go ahead and get this wrapped up here, and then we'll get the other vehicle in the shop here, and they're going to swap out the cars. So anyways, if you guys need to reach us for anything, or have any questions or concerns about anything here, or want to schedule a dent repair or a free damage assessment, feel free to go ahead and give us a call at 605-250-1023, or you can visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Also, don't forget, you can direct message us right down here, or if you got any questions or anything, or need anything, leave them down in the comments section. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.